Happy Saturday, everyone. It is Nisreen Hawley with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices in Sedona, Arizona. Today, I am going to take you on a tour of 2090 Agua Fria. This is in Cottonwood in the Verde Villages area. There is no HOA here, and this is a brand new build, brand new construction, which, of course, as you know, means that it will be a long time before you have to worry about major things like roof and fixtures and HVAC needing to be updated or needing to be replaced. There's something really magical about purchasing a brand new build and having the confidence of a builder warranty. So let's take a look at this home. This floor plan is one of my favorites, as is this kitchen. You've got high-end Frigidaire appliances. I love this tile backsplash. The chef's stove, plenty of burners there. Huge stainless steel sink. Quartz countertops. Check out these cabinets. And of course, you know that they are soft close drawers. I would not expect anything less. The refrigerator is included, and the light fixtures are super elegant and modern. It does give this home a very luxurious feel. Check out that ceiling fan. It's very unique, not like every other one you see. I like the very elongated blades. It just fits the space really nicely, and there's a beautiful open concept flow between the dining, kitchen, and living area. Now let's take a look at the primary bedroom. A lot of space in here, nice and private. I really like the barn door accent, and you'll notice there's no carpet in here, so easy maintenance, luxury vinyl plank flooring, dual vanities, an absolute must. And one of the things that I think people don't realize is when you have a shower and it's tiled all the way up to the ceiling, that is so nice and helpful. You do not want to get moisture on drywall. The half shower thing just gets me sometimes. That's beautifully done. And this closet, tons of space. Lots of room. And you've got a linen closet there. I just love that shower. All right, let's take a look at the other side of the house. This house is almost 2,000 square feet, and it's such a great use of space that it just even feels maybe bigger. There's a pantry right here with lots of shelving, plenty of room in there. The laundry room over here. And the second full bath. Beautiful. And let's take a look at this shower as well. So these little extra touches in the tile work and the fixtures make a huge difference, don't you think? I love it when a builder goes all out with the little details and touches. Beautiful closet space here. And then a second bedroom, same size, across the hall. A nice separation for privacy. Now, I do want to show you guys the garage. This is a 3-car garage, and the way that it's laid out is super unique. I want to hear your ideas and your comments on what you would do with all of this space. If you have 3 vehicles, of course, plenty of room for them here. But the way that it's set up, tandem style, I think is great, because if you're only parking 2 cars or 2 cars and a bike, you've got a door to the side yard, you've got a door to the backyard, which is awesome. You've got the recirculating hot water heater there. But what would you do in this space? If you have 2 cars, you could make it a workshop. You could put a little mini split in there. You could do, make it an art studio. You could keep your gardening equipment there, and you've got a door right to the backyard, which the backyard is a blank canvas for you right now. Side yard and front yard landscape beautifully with rock. This is a gorgeous house, 2090 Agua Fria. Give us a call and schedule your showing. See you soon.